Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in Singapore. Feel free to leave a comment letting me know which building or landmark you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today's location we find in Clementi. We are flying over the Kent Ridge Park today. Let's enjoy the view. Welcome to Clementi, Singapore, where we're flying over Kent Ridge Park today. This 47-hectare park, nestled between the National University of Singapore and the Singapore Science Park, is part of the Southern Ridges Trail. Originally called Pasir Panjang Ridge, it was renamed in 1954 to honor a 1952 visit by the Duchess of Kent and her son, the Duke of Kent. The park is a historical gem, as it was the site of the Battle of 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫 in February 1942, one of the last stands by the Malay Regiment against the Japanese during World War II. A museum, Reflections at 𝐎𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐫, commemorates this fierce battle. Kent Ridge Park is a paradise for nature lovers, with secondary forests featuring timbusu, acacia, and pitcher plants. Its 280-meter canopy walk, built in 2003, offers stunning views of the greenery and connects to the War Museum. The park's highest point, at 61 meters above sea level, provides panoramic views of the southern coast, including islands like Pulau Bukom. Two ponds in the northeast host turtles and fish, while birdwatchers can spot species like the collared kingfisher. The park also features a challenging mountain bike trail, fitness stations, and lookout points. Historically, the area was a lowland rainforest, later used for crops like rubber and pineapple in the 19th century, many of which were abandoned during the Japanese occupation. Today, it's a peaceful retreat, accessible via Vigilante Drive or Pepys Road, with free parking at 4 car parks. The park's blend of history and biodiversity makes it a unique destination, offering a glimpse into Singapore's past and natural beauty in the heart of Clementi. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.